Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Xcover6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this Samsung. First of all, you need to locate calendar app and access it. Now pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and create your event by tapping on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Finally, adjust it however you wish to. Now, for example, you can add a title, and in the same section, pick color of your event, and even one of those emojis. For example, for birthdays, I will go with this party hat. Now you can also select starting hour and ending one. If you don't need to do that, click on this switcher next to all day in order to disable this feature completely. Now click on location, tap on map, and choose while using the app or only this time. Now click on OK and click on the search bar. Then type in an address of your event. Click on Change Search Area if it's far. And tap on the correct result. After that, select OK, and if you made a mistake just like I did, type wherever you wish to again and click on the correct result below. Then select Done at the bottom right corner. Now you can also adjust notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event, in my case 2 days before, take some notes, add attachments, videos, and even choose Don't Repeat and tap on one of those options if you want your event to repeat like every year. If you don't, just tap on Don't Repeat. To save your event, click on Save at the bottom right corner, and as you can see, mine was successfully created. In order to make some changes, just click on it and tap on it over here. Now you need to select Edit option at the bottom and change wherever you wish to. Save your changes by tapping on Save one more time. If you wish to get rid of your event though, you need to click on it again, but this time choose Delete at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!